Here's stuff we don't know yet. Who creates the account? What if the designated beneficiary is incompetent? Who creates the account then? Since the law specifically says that the disabled person is the owner of the account, will that mean we'll need to, when we do a guardianship, we're also going to have to do a conservatorship? And I actually ran that question by the judge who presented earlier, and fortunately he did not give me an answer, and he said it'll be interesting to find out what the answer to that question is. So that's something we don't know yet. So I don't want people rushing out on day one opening up these ABLE accounts. There's a lot of unanswered questions that we need to figure out first before money starts getting put into these accounts. Who's going to be responsible for determining how the funds are used? If the account owner is, then what if the account owner can't make that decision? So these are things that have to be worked out. What happens if somebody unintentionally receives more than $14,000 through no fault of their own? Both grandparents, both sets of grandparents decide they're going to put $10,000 each into an account. Well, that pops them over the $14,000 limit. And then what? So, there are many unanswered questions. It is a planning tool that we can use, but where we can use it is in very limited circumstances. More details will be forthcoming. So, what a way to end the day, right? I don't want you to think too down. It's one of those things Congress did that made everybody feel really good. They did something for disabled people. But, when the rubber hits the road, it's not terribly useful, at least for most families. There will be situations where it's useful, but I do not see it as this great thing that's going to help every family with a child with disability.